Hello everyone, welcome to another Roblox game development tutorial. In this tutorial, we're going to actually change what this text button says in its text. This is, oh, wrong script, my bad. So, first we're going to take a look, and we're going to go through this as if this is our first time scripting this thing, which for some of you, it might be. So in TextButton, we're going to click it, but we're going to open our script. Now click TextButton again. I know it's starting to sound redundant already, and we're probably not even a minute into this. Alright. Now scroll down here in the properties menu and look for where it says text. If you didn't know it yet, you would be looking for the property that you want to change, the name of it, and how you can change it. What kind of property type is it? Is it a color 3, a brick color, a string, which yes, it's a string, some kind of enum value, and I know I haven't talked about enum values yet, but we will probably a lot later than now, or something else. So that's step 1 in making a script to change a property. And by the way, as I'm sure I've said 100 times before, Roblox's Lua scripting engine is useless if you don't change properties. That's all Lua can do. Well, I take that back. That's all Roblox Lua can do, is change properties. It might have a lot of workarounds, and yes, it has the print statement, but ultimately, it boils down to changing properties to manipulate the Roblox game engine to make it do what you want it to do. That's all it is. Thankfully, Roblox's game engine is really powerful, really scalable, and really customizable. So, Roblox Lua, just changing properties is enough to do just about anything you could possibly think of anyway. Now let's get back to the main part of this tutorial. Let's go up to the script, and we're going to completely get rid of this line, and we're going to change it to say script.parent.text equals clicked. I will explain that, even though hopefully I've explained how this type of thing works in the past. I'll explain exactly what it's doing a little bit. So we're going to click button. There we go. Wow, okay. That failed. I'm actually going to reset my character here because everything was lagging on its loading process. Alright. Now, I'm going to click button, and it changed it to clicked. So, my screen recorder messes stuff up so much. So, we went script.parent, which this is script.parent, and even if we change the name of the script to say bballer, it would still, while we're in the script, while we're scripting in here, we could still call it by script. If you've ever done anything like, say, PHP, or Java, or, well, PHP actually doesn't have it. It's sort of, it can. But, like, if you've ever done Java, or C++, or some object-oriented programming, you can think of script almost as it, well, actually, you can think of it as this. Okay? Like, the term this. I think it's in JavaScript as well. I haven't done any JavaScripting in a long time, so I couldn't tell you. Now, script means the script. Now, .parent is a property. Yeah, guys, I might not have explained this before. .parent is a property of every object. Every object. And that property is an object value which has a path down to its parent. So the parent for this script is TextButton. So script dot parent, and when you say dot parent, that value will be returned, and it'll go through all of these Explorer properties all the way down to your parent. Dot parent dot text, which is another property. Text dot text, and then since that's a property and that's the last property we're indexing, there's no periods, and we put an equal sign, Lua knows that you're trying to change the value of that property to whatever is on the right side of your equal sign. And we're setting it to the string which reads in English, clicked. So, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Please hit the like or dislike button corresponding to how you felt about this video. And I'll catch you guys later.